Never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will be doing a tutorial today on this look. I don't know what to call it, but I do know it has some orange tones in it, some brown tones, and a hint of dark brown and black. So if you want to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video once you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful day. Please stay blessed. Alright, so as you guys know, I'll be using the Beauty Blender and some concealer to base my eyes and prime them so that the eyeshadow sticks to it. So now that we have the raccoon eyes down packed, I'm going to be taking the Morphe and James Charles palette. I'm going to be using the lighter shade, the orange shade, and the dark brown shade. And I'll be using the dark brown shade in the crease of my eyes first, and then I'll use the orange one for the transition color, and I'll use that one, the light orange shade, on my eyelids. So I'll be taking the dark brown shade and I'll be using it in the crease of my eyes, and as you can see, I'm going back and forth with that one color. Now you want to focus primarily in the crease of your eyes because that's what's going to give your eyelids the definition. As you can see, I'm going back and forth, and then I start going in circular motion. Don't worry about the product going on the eyelids, that's the main goal. Okay, the orange, you're still going to get the light orange shade on there, but you want to make sure that you're creating definition on your eyes. Now I am bringing that same color. You're not using too much product, you're only going in once or twice. I'm using that same color, I'm bringing it closer to the inner corner of my eyes, okay, because you want to make sure that you're getting that definition. Okay, as you can see, I'm going in circular motion. That is the best way to blend your eyeshadow so it doesn't seem blotchy or have blotchy patches, which is why I tend to use a concealer, because once you have the concealer down packed as the base, everything goes evenly. So I'm taking the medium orange shade and I'm just blending it out with the darker orange shade, with the darker brown shade, just to kind of make sure that everything transitions properly and there are no like harsh lines, as you can see. I'm now going in with the light orange shade and I'm using that on my eyelids to make sure that I blend that in properly, and I'm using a flat brush to do that. And this will then, you know, make the eye look come together. I will still be blending it out, don't worry, but just this is what you're going to be doing on your eyelids, because that's where the color should be going. Okay, you don't need to worry about blending this one out. Just make sure that you have a flat brush and you're kind of painting it across your eyelids. Now because my eyelids are small, I'm only doing it on the area where there's space for my eyelids. I'm not going over. Now that's a mistake that a lot of people make. They tend to go over their eyelids and it starts to look weird. You need to stop where your eyelids start to crease. Now as you can see, I'm blending it all out to make sure that the light orange, dark orange, and the transition color kind of comes together. I'll be taking a pressed powder to clean up my brow bone, just to make sure that everything kind of neutralizes properly. As you can see, sometimes the color does get a little all over the place, so you want to kind of use that to clean up the area. That's what I'm doing, and it all blends properly. I'll now be going with a dark brown shade, and that is going to be on the outer corner of my eyes, as you can see, and this is going to help bring a little bit more of a defined look to my eyes. Alright, now this is the moment of truth. You want to make sure that your hands are really sturdy for this. I'm going to be very, very careful, like I always am, when I'm putting on my eyeliner. I use the eyeliner that has a tip, that has like a felt tip. It's easier for me because I can just drag it across. As you can see, I'm trying to be very, very, very precise and go very, very slow, just so that I don't mess up. Eyeliner takes practice. No one's perfect. I'm not perfect. Until this day, I still make mistakes. and I'm left-handed, so I never do things smoothly. I just try to control myself. But as you can see, I'm trying to make the line as fine as possible. I don't like it when my eyeliner is too thick because I have small eyes, and the hood of my eyes are very small as well. So when I do that, it makes my eyes even smaller. And that's, again, a lot of people make this mistake. When you have small eyes, you want to stay away from making your eyeliner a little too big or wearing heavy lashes, because then it makes it look extra low. So I'm going to be using my lashes. I got these lashes from the hair store again. I believe it's an iKiss. I finally found it's the iKiss I Envy lashes, and it's in the number 109. I use these because I don't like heavy lashes. I like lashes that are fluttery. So they have like the long strip and then the short strip. Those are the ones that I like that are kind of very light. And I use my mascara to go over them just to give it like a nice natural look. I'll be taking my Carli Bybel palette by Carli Bybel and BH Cosmetics. I love this palette. This was a collab that they did way back in the day. I've been using this since then, and I'll be using a shade in there to fill out the inner corner of my eyes, and that will make the eyes pop a little bit. So I'm going to be taking some concealer just to clean up the eyeshadow and the liner to give it like a little more precise look. The wing has to be extra sharp, like cutting something with a knife. And once I do that, I'll just blend it out with the beauty blender. Time on the video, I wanted to just skip the face part. Nothing has changed since my last video anyway. So this basically, I'm putting the brown color and the rust orange on the bottom corner of my eyes.
I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young, I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish.
Alright guys, so the look is complete. I did my hair off camera. As you can see, everything is looking good. I sprayed my face like so many times, but everything is set and ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your patience. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment box below as to what kind of looks you want. And if you like wig tutorials as well, please let me know. I'll be glad to help. Have yourself a wonderful day, and God bless.